Hello, Mosh Bari here. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share a website, basically a marketplace where you can buy and sell and make money without doing anything. Interesting? Yes. How much money can you make? You can make $100 a day, $500 a day, or even $1,000 a day. Sky is the limit with what you can do because this website works with a multi-billion dollar online industry. So in a moment, I will share how to register on this website, how to make sure you make money from there. I will show you multiple ways to make money from this website. I will show you how you can get paid from this website. But at the same time, if you stick to the end of the video, I will share how you can make money using this website without absolutely doing nothing. But as usual, I will also share my premium software 100% free. So making money from this website or any other website on this particular industry becomes extremely easy for you. Even if you are a complete beginner, you have absolutely zero skill, and even if you don't have a website. By the way, I highly recommend you have a website, and for that, link in the description will give you free access to my software Maven. A limited version of this software can hijack any content and turn into your content legally. Yeah, so link in the description will get you the software. Go get it 100% free. Now we will go to the walkthrough video, step by step, how to use this website and make money. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and YouTube should show this video to other viewers. This way, YouTube knows it's a good video, they show this to other viewers, we get views, and you will be notified when we will upload our next video. Okay, we are on SEOclerks.com. You start with the landing page, and the landing page starts with the listings of offers. Offers like Fiverr gigs, but all related to SEO or search engine optimization. SEO is search engine optimization, and it's approximately an $80 billion industry. In order to join this site, just click on sign in or join. Let me click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, you can use your username and password and click on the I'm not a robot check and then click sign in. Or if you don't have an account, then click sign up, and all you have to do, use a unique username, an email address, password, confirm password, and click continue. This box will open. Click seller, your full name, list your skills, click the I'm not a robot checkbox, and then click the join blue button. And that's it. Now you can log in using your login credentials. At the moment, showing balance 0 because I haven't earned anything from this site. It's a brand new account. Go through shopping, favorites, profile, security, settings, all these links, and also go through the listings and try to understand what kind of offers people are offering. Click on your image and click the security section where you should update your personal details for better account security. Your telephone number, address verification, ID verification. Go ahead and add more information about yourself. More information you add, more your account will look authentic and reliable. Your profile will be easily found in the search. Verify your telephone number. This dialog box will open. Phone verified. Go through the listings in different sections and try to understand what type of services people are offering. Example, this one 60 PBNs, DA60 plus, homepage PBNs, links, high quality. You see 99% thumbs up, means 99% people loved this service. And 485 people actually left a review. Another one here, 5,994 people left a review, $15 price. Another one, 266. Another one, 3,983. Another one, 4,332. 100% recommended. In order to start making money easily, first go through the listings and try to understand what type of listings or what type of gigs or what type of offers are the easiest, but they are making the maximum sales. For example, this particular gig, real ranking solution, get ranked on top of Google with guaranteed results for $275. I would say, as an entrepreneur, as a content marketer, I would purchase this gig. But before that, I will read the details. What they want from me, what is the catch, what's the details of the offer. So it's a very lucrative offer. You see the price? $275, and the number of ratings so far is 8,684. Consider 5% customers left a rating, so the total number of sales will be approximately 8684 times 20, 173,000 times $275. It's literally a huge amount of money. So chances are it's ran by a big company who are professional in this job, or buyers contacted the seller and offered a reduced custom offer, or they have a lot of low-priced custom sales. In any case, this is a very lucrative offer. So by anyhow, if you can manage this kind of offer, it's super awesome. Look at what they are doing and how they build their landing page. Build your landing page accordingly and start selling. In order to start making money, you need to become a seller. So go to seller section and sell, manage. There are so many ways to make money. The first one is sell. So sell a service or sell a software. Now, I will show you an interesting results. I was looking for software, so what kind of softwares people are selling and how much money they are making. And I found this one, this particular seller sold a lot, literally thousands. And this seller got 2,436, 99% rating. Awesome. So 2,436, considering 5% people left rating times 20. So they sold approximately 48,000 units. Now, if you look at all their prices, they're approximately $20 to $30 price point. On the average, you can say $21 price points. So times 21, that's hopping $1 million in sales. Wow. $1 million in sales. This is approximately, look, even if it's 50%, still it's $500,000 selling softwares. Now, I'll tell you the secret. The secret is no secret. The secret is this person has literally 40 listings. 40 listings. So they are relentless, unstoppable when it comes to selling. They kept learning and they kept selling. Now, they joined on 2014 and the country of origin is Bangladesh. Now, if a Bangladeshi person can do it, you can do it too. I highly admire this person. This is so amazing. They found a market, they found customers, and they kept offering their service. And the most awesome part is the customer rating is 99%. It's super amazing. So the shortcut to start making some sales and making money is to go look at their listings, how they look like, what are the images, how this copy is written, and go to seller section, start selling, sell software. It's the easiest one. Now let me show you how you can make money using this website without any kind of work. So for that, to give you an example, we came to SEO Clerks and searched with YouTube because YouTubers need all kinds of SEO. But at the beginning, any brand new channel needs a view boost. They don't have connections, they don't have previous audience, so they need someone to watch their videos and somehow notify YouTube that there are new contents and they are good content, so YouTube start promoting them. I hope you got the point. So there are services all over the world who provide you views, likes, subscribers, and they provide these kind of services in many different ways, using softwares, using public IPs, using realistic users, many different ways. But when we filtered these services, we figured that the first two are highly recommended by the previous buyers. You see 1,725 likes. They made over 82,400 sales. Wow. So if the sales price is $2, then they already made over $160,000. Now, I went inside the first gig and I found the offer is 1,000 views to one of your videos. Now, here is how to make money. If you go to Fiverr and you search for YouTube, then you will find gigs like this, and they are providing similar views or service starting from $10 to $20 and even $50. So imagine you made a sale on Fiverr, $20 sale, and you came back to this SEO clerks and purchased the service from this gig spending $2. So you make $18 profit while they do the job for you, and your client on Fiverr will get it delivered. And they know that you have done the job. That makes sense? So they're taking the order on Fiverr and make $20 upfront, then pay the SEO clerk service and get the work delivered and make $18 in the process. Now, how much money can you make? Let's look at how much these Fiverr gig owner made. I can see 294 4.7 star rating. Approximately 5% of the total customers came back and left a rating. So 294 multiplied by 20 would be the total number of sales approximately. And if we consider standard as the average sales value, then multiply it with $20, it's $117,000 generated from this gig. This is so awesome. 6 figures from one Fiverr gig. Now, if you look at their profile, you'll find they have other gigs and they're making sales on other gigs as well. Why? Because they're offering each service very related. Basically, they're the same thing, but they used different keywords to sell the same service in different ways. And look at the numbers. All of them got good rating and good sales. First one 294 rating and reviews, another one 227 reviews, another one 114 reviews, another one 120 reviews, 92, 7. So total approximately they made 3 times this amount, which is very nearly $350,000 in sales from Fiverr. Where are they getting the job done? I don't know, but you can get the job done from SEO Clerks Marketplace, and it's totally passive. Was this video good? Helpful? You think it's okay to make money using this site? If yes or even no, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. The next video will be super awesome. It will also come with education, information, entertainment, and our premium software is 100% free. And we'll see you in the next video.